Here's a great idea from one of our metabolic boot campers. When we are creating our metabolic toothpaste, also for pollen protection, we are using a free-form L-glutamine, no peptides. We are going to be using a virgin cold-pressed coconut oil. We're going to be using baking soda, but we're also using xylitol, birch bark sourced only, non-GMO. Crucial. But here's the trouble. The texture. I have texture issues. I don't like things that are gritty and grainy. So what we're going to do to deal with this, we're not going to put xylitol dry into our toothpaste. What we're going to do is we're going to place xylitol into 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. We are going to heat this up on the stove. This will only take a few seconds. Now here's the beauty of it. The melting point of a pure xylitol from birch bark is 196.7 Fahrenheit. The smoke point for cold-pressed virgin coconut oil, 400 degrees. So we're in good shape there. So what's going to happen is the xylitol, its gritty, grainy nature, the granules will be liquefied quickly, as you see that's going on now. And all we're going to do, very simple boot campers, is into our metabolic toothpaste, we place the melted coconut oil and xylitol. And what we're going to get is a potent, smooth, almost like frosting toothpaste. And we use this when we're dealing with chemotherapy burns, radiation burns, or for the healthy boot camper who wants to increase bone density, protect themselves from the acidification of pollen. You will see some amazing results as you begin to incorporate our metabolic boot camp paste. Enjoy and bon appetit.